Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah.
This is my little setup. I'm in the bathroom, so I have my wax warmer going. I have it at 150. I'll show you that in a minute. I also have some paper towels, and I have the 2 different sizes of popsicle sticks or spatulas, and then I have the pre-wax and the after wax right there, and we're gonna start. So the first step is to take this pre-wax spray and just spray it all over the area that you're about to wax, and then wipe it off. And the purpose of the pre-wax is basically to get the skin, you know, prepare like an extra preparation, because remember, before you actually go into wax, you should make sure you exfoliate at least a day prior. So yeah, and this smells so good, you guys. It smells like tropical yummy coconut, which you guys know by now is my favorite scent. All right, so dry the legs. The surface is all dried and pre-wax went on, so now we're going to do the wax. But first, make sure to always check your wax temperature and make sure it's on the right temperature, like you didn't accidentally hit the dial or it didn't get like too hot. So what I'm gonna do is put it back at 150. All right guys, so we are ready. It is now at 150, and this is the temperature that I prefer to use. So I'm gonna pull the lid off, and then I'm gonna grab one of these protective rings that they put in your package, and I'm just gonna place it there. All right, so the wax is at a temperature that we want, right? So let me scoot over. So we're gonna add it on. Here's the wax, and just take it out. It's quite runny, so I spin it and apply it, so downwards, and you know, with a little bit of pressure. As you can see, this dries pretty quickly, so it's dry, and we're gonna like get it off. Ooh. So one thing you should try to do is like try to get that lip right here, so it's easier to pull off. I'm still learning how to do that. So we're gonna rip it off. Ooh. Alright, so that's all the hairs that you see came out of that, and yeah. So we're gonna do some more, and it wasn't really painful. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't that painful at all. Maybe it's because I don't have like a lot of hair on my legs, because my arms, when I did that, oh my god, my armpit, that was painful. So we're gonna do right here. So you guys see, this is the reason why you need to have this little ring on there, so anything will fall on this and not like directly in there.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the Hygiene. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
So I am finished with this area of my leg, and as you can see, I have quite a few pieces of wax still stuck to my leg and this is very painful to try to like pull them up because it's so small and you have to move so slow, and then there's hair still stuck under there. So what I'm gonna do is grab the after wax, spray it on, and use like an old washcloth to get all of this up, along with also taking the extra pieces of wax that we got left over. The after wax is gonna also smooth the skin, moisturize it, and just makes it feel better, like calm it down a bit, since we did just like do a whole wax, like pulling hair out of our skin. So you know it's a little bit on the like tender side. I'm gonna use an old washcloth to just like pull everything off.
So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna spray it all over. And I'm gonna take this old washcloth and then like, you know, wipe it down.
So I'm done waxing, and before I tell you guys my thoughts, I do want to thank Tress Wellness for sending over this at-home waxing kit. They sent it over to me as a gift, and I'm happy that I got it because I've been interested in waxing at home. On to the juicy part of this like review. First tip that I have to tell you guys is to read the beginner's guide. This has everything that you need to know to start your at-home waxing journey. Here you would see that they have like illustrations, these little pictures of each area that you would want to wax, right? And then they gave you like instructions over here. So easy to read. Your eyes will be drawn to the area. So if you were doing a bikini, you would just look down here, read whatever they say, and follow that. Okay, so the next thing that I would say is to make yourself comfortable. So what I did, I came into the bathroom, I sat on the toilet with it closed. They do say that the toilet is the most comfortable like seat in your home, so I sat on that, and I had like this little like stool that I rest my legs on, and the waxing kit was like right there. That's like the third tip. So that's like tip 2 and 3 in one. The waxing kit was right there, so it was just easy for me to like scoop out the wax and put it on. I didn't have to like stretch anywhere and make myself uncomfortable. Everything was just right there within arm's reach for me. So the package itself, I love the way how they put everything together. Everything had a little space, everything was like wrapped so nothing was spilled, and they gave you everything you needed for this at-home starter kit. So something else I liked about this kit was the pre-wax and the after wax that they included. Let me grab them. They both are decent size. Enjoy the fact that they were both coconut scented. I love coconut scent, especially in the warmer months, so it just like tied in perfectly. After wax, the first like 2 ingredients in there is oil. It felt good. It was moisturizing and soothing, so I really enjoyed putting that product on my legs. So those were my little tips and my experience from using the product. I do recommend it. I think it's like a nice thing to have in your home. It's like a nice skill to learn. Do it yourself, save some money. We're all about saving money. Use it along with my husband, and that was like something for us to do together. It was very hilarious, you guys. It was hilarious. You can get it on Amazon Prime, like 2 days, so it's like easily accessible. Like everything you need, even when you run out of the other products, you could just grab them on Amazon like real easy. So yeah, I'm going to leave a link below, also a discount code for you guys to use, so you're gonna save like extra money. I also want you guys to comment below and let me know what other area you guys want me to wax next, and I'll make a video doing that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.